Okay, now part 2. Now here's our camera ran out, so here's part 2. Now we put the activator in. I already put my activator in. Now guys, he needs to put his activator in.
Okay, guys, it's part 2 because a battery came out. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons.
Now mix it. I think I need something bigger to mix this. We're only putting 3 because it'll turn. If we put too much, it'll turn out ugly. So that's why we're putting a little. Okay. Now we're mixing.
With our hands.
Oh, the stinks.
I know.
I need more activator. Oh God. Honey, move your bowl. Move your bowl. Let's see if this works.
You go and go see the back one in his car.
Okay. My slime is getting better.
Hello, guys. My slime is getting sticky.
Why do you keep saying hello, guys, every time? No. I need to put more activator. It's getting messy. How to make this video fail? How to make slime fail?
If it doesn't turn out right, we're gonna put so much glitter.
And we're still mixing. My slime is horrible. Oh, I got my eyes. Okay, guys, our slime is about finished, so we need to pick everything up. I think. Oh, hi. Oh, hi guys. This is our fidget project. And I added too much activator, so.
And mine is perfect.
And tomorrow we're gonna be doing challenges.
Like
yeah. Thank you for watching how to make slime. We'll see you tomorrow.
Peace.
Bye.